Can you see, baby?
Are you gonna hold him and take pictures?
Well, I'm gonna put him probably propping up on my knee. It's not gonna take very long. Oh, Julie.
Yeah. Look here, Max.
Max, right there. Hey, Mama. Are the keys in the car?
Yeah.
Put your arm up here. And that'll help hold yourself. Well, I got 56. Come over here. A little bit here.
They should. Probably an air horn or siren.
How long will that be before it blows up? Should get up here.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Oops. Uh-oh.
Dad, did you take a picture of that top thing falling?
Somebody got some splaining to do, Lucy.
Yeah, that tower didn't go down like it's supposed to either.
You know, there was homes. We took a trip down to when we were going through here, and there's pretty damn close homes.
There's people standing over there. Well, not that close, I'm sure.
Yeah, see those people they are. See where the guy in the red coat, then further north?
Yeah.
There's people, that's their backyard. Well, that wasn't the Loasos brothers, was it? Did that job. Uh-oh.
What?
How would you like to have to go back in there and set some more charges? Look at it now, Max.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna hold you.
No, here, I can see it.
Can you see it?
We don't need a
Man,
hose.
they ooped that, didn't they?
They messed up. But I don't think they had the plan to